The GEARLASSO 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench boasts a powerful brushless motor delivering 1,600 Newton-meters of maximum torque, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. With 3 distinct speed modes in forward and 2 operation modes in reverse, this wrench offers versatility for a wide range of precision applications. The kit includes 2 21-volt 4 ampere-hour lithium-ion batteries, providing extended runtime and minimizing downtime with its rapid charging capability. Designed for convenience, the built-in LED light ensures precision in dimly lit spaces, enhancing accuracy for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This comprehensive wrench kit comes complete with 6 sockets, an extension bar, and a sturdy suitcase, making it well-suited for various tasks around the home or garage. GEARLASSO offers exceptional customer service with a generous 1-year warranty and round-the-clock expert support, ensuring peace of mind for users.